Where is it? Let's check. What we got? I got this one for you for pajamas. I know that's the only one that you have. Come on, this one. The other one that I have, so you take for me. I'll take. Show me that color you have. This one, this my legacy too. With it. What about me? Come now. What are you doing there? No, just my baby. It's so cute. No, actually, no, not with that one. Let me close off. No. I got this one. You should come now. What are you guys doing? Sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay, Malawi?
Let me beef. I'm so cold.
Where's
Where's mine, mommy?
It's okay. This one is big. I think this one legs are too long. It's not happy that the office. Why are you back for him? I'm just this one. I think I'm going to do one of that. What is one for you? What about me? Okay, this one for my.
It's actually good, actually. So good.
Game on mode. Why are you not saying that? Come on, take.
It's good. Let me change.
It will not be too small for him. I want to change.
I want it. That's for now.
For his own. This is stomach. Oh, really? But I think a lot. Yeah.
Look at that. What do you
What
change?
I get this one for? Is it for you? Okay. I say you be one of the what do you want?
I don't know. It depends. Let's see the design finish. I'll take anyone. Which one do you want to take? I think you should take that one.
I don't like to be for you. I don't
I
want
like this one.
I don't like pink.
You don't like it.
Oh, you know
I
what?
don't like it.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I mean, I going to do something. Okay, guys. I'm going to. Okay, guys. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm going to get close to Bobo. Let's see. I have a new clothes, guys. I have a new clothes. I have a new clothes. Yeah.
See, this one wants to sing with it.
What? Are you alright, man?
Like I've been here looking and sing. Try this one. Like.
I don't like this one.
Sing this one.
What? Come on. Come on. It's okay.
2025. This year.
Come. Why are you crying, Marvin? And see your own clothes. Come inside. Wow, this is so beautiful. It's so bad.
I have clothes.
Well, it's very warm. And it's warm. Never like it. You have your own. Let me show you your own.
Where, Jen?
Do you want to take it?
I'm going to be facing.
No, now put
Peace.
now put your one.
That one, I'm not like you have it here, so I'll show you. But I don't know if I'm taking this one. I want to take this one. This one's for Melvin. I'm going to set up all his clothes.
That's mine. Okay, that's mine.
For me? I was even a baby clothes, sir.
Pants. We shop black pants.
When you open that, you're zipping because of your coat.
No, mine.
This is not this one. Daddy. To be for daddy. I like plain colors. You don't like wearing color. Oh, this one. That's it.
I can one fight everybody. No, nothing can one fight. But now, I feel like can one fight for me.
Will you go sideways? It might, though. It might. For you? Oh, you have
Never mind.